How to enable picture-in-picture YouTube mode on iPhone. YouTube, a video watching app owned by Google, is used by billions of users worldwide. Now you can use the app while performing other tasks on your phone and can enjoy the videos even when using other apps. Previously, this feature was disabled from the iPhone, but it has again come back and is available for the users of iOS 15 or above. However, this feature only works for free in the USA and is only accessible with YouTube Premium membership outside of it. Here's a step-by-step guide to enabling YouTube picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Next, tap U in the bottom right corner. Now tap the Settings button in the top right corner. Now select General. Now turn on the Picture-in-Picture button. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap General. Now select Picture-in-Picture. Now tap the Start Picture-in-Picture Automatically button.